Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another exciting live trading room session here with myself, Kyriakos, and with my colleague, of course, Elif Kudakshi. So, good morning, guys, and as I said, it's going to be another great day today. Let's see who is with us today. I see that today is with us Andrian. Good morning, Andrian. I see also Francis. Good morning, Francis. Hope you are doing very well. I see Gabriel online. Good morning, Gabriel. I also see George, Jeff, and Jenna, and Laura. Good morning, guys. I see Patrick. I see Peter. Good morning, Francis. Thank you for your good morning wishes. Good morning, Gabriel. Good morning, guys. I see Peter. I can also see Peter. I see Rachel, and I see also Sean. Okay, good. Wherever our attendees are increasing by the hour, so welcome to another exciting live trading room session. Good morning, Sean, and welcome as well. So this is Kyriakos Hailau talking from the Forex trading desk of Trademy.com, guys. So let's start with what I have done this morning. Unfortunately, in inverted commas, guys, as soon as I place this trade is closed, so you didn't have the opportunity to see it or to follow it. Doesn't matter, we have other trades as well. I have entered long positions on pound yen and they have been closed with a profit of $2,175. However, my current positions, as you know, I'm trading 10 Forex pairs. Since pound yen closed, we have nine remaining Forex pairs to actually make money on them today. So let's check what the current positions are, and then we will look one by one the charts to tell you my philosophy about them. In the meantime, I would like to repeat that if you would like to follow me on any of my trades, it's at your absolute discretion whether or not to follow me on any or none of the trades. Just have in mind you are regarding position sizing, you must always have in mind the Excel spreadsheet I have provided you and adjust your position sizes accordingly. So if your initial position is 0.05, have in mind that based on my system, you might need to open a position of 8.26 lots. You might. If you would like your first initial position size to be 0.10, you might need to open a position of 16.52 lots. So this Excel spreadsheet is available through your account managers. This has to do with the position sizing, and I have provided that because not everyone has the same account value. So depending on your account value and always calculating your risks, the position size of the trades can be calculated using the Excel spreadsheet. Now, the levels of entry, because calculating the position size is half of the process, the exact entry level, the exact stop losses, the exact take profits, I'm using my unique strategy, and you can see them from the live trading room. I would like to remind you that you don't need to be afraid of Forex at all. For me, it's the safest financial instrument you can trade if you trade with discipline and patience. Okay, don't expect from a single position to get thousands. Okay, slow, sustainable, and slow growth of your account value. That's my target. Personally, I don't like to see a trader that today is winning $10,000, tomorrow is losing $8,000, the next day is winning $7,000, the following day is losing $5,000. That's not sustainability. I prefer a trader who is making $1,000 or $500 or even $200 on the majority of the trading days. That's a much better trader for me and indicates much better trading discipline. So let's start with my positions. As you can see, I have entered a long position on Aussie dollar. My entry level price was 71,173. Stop loss 0.7603. And take profit a bit above 71.50 at 71.523. That's the first trade I have opened. Remember that if you would like to follow me now, if you see two trades on euro yen, for example, always take the largest position. Okay, so for the moment on euro yen, I am long euro yen. My price was 129.447 with a stop loss at 128.877 and TP at 129.797. That's the second trade I have open today. The next one, euro dollar. I am long, not short, I'm long because the biggest position size is on a buy position for the moment. So I'm long euro USD at 1.15040. Just a moment, because guys, I'm getting old. Just a moment to wear my glasses. Now it's much better. So long euro dollar at 1.15040 with a stop loss at 1.14470 and a TP at 1.5390. So this is the last trade. Just a moment. All right. Now we are 100% operational. So let's move on. Pound Aussie. As you can see, I am also long on pound Aussie at 1.83888 with a stop loss at 1.83318 and a take profit at 1.84238. Let's continue. For pound dollar, I'm long pound dollar. My entry level for long positions is at 1.31031. Stop loss 1.34661 and TP at 1.31381. This is the next one. Let's go on. As you can see, I have shorted the Kiwi today, and I will go through the trades in a few minutes. So, short Kiwi, New Zealand USD. My short position was at 65.474. Stop loss 0.66044 and a take profit at 0.65124. Next one. I'm also short dollar CAD. Entry level 1.3054. Stop loss 1.31074 and TP 1.30154. Next one, dollar CHF. I'm short on dollar CHF. Entry level 0.99354. Stop loss 0.99924 and TP 0.99004. And the last trade I have opened today, it's a short position on dollar yen. So I'm short dollar yen. I have shorted it at 112.486. Stop loss 113.056 and TP at 112.136. So these are the positions I have currently opened. Let's go through the charts to check them one by one. So the first chart I will go through is Aussie dollar. Now on Aussie dollar, just a moment for the platform to refresh. As you can see, I have entered long positions. Why I have done that? I have 100% confirmation signals for long positions on Aussie dollar, bullish setup on the MAs, increasing bullish momentum for the past 1 hour on MACD. RSI is above 50, confirming bullish momentum, and I have an increasing positive directional movement on the ADX indicator. So that's why I have entered long positions. Now on Euro Yen, as you can see, my short positions were reversed to long positions. So let's go through the Euro Yen chart. Euro Yen. Okay, it says there Euro Yen, but I see other chart here. Just a moment, guys. All right. Let's see now. So euro yen. Come on. So good morning, Howard, and welcome. So euro yen. Okay, I will give a pass to Elif until I fix that, and I will be back. Thank you.
Hello guys, here I am again. Here I am. How are you guys this morning here at Trademy.com? I hope you are all very well and you are all doing well. How was your trading day yesterday afternoon? We made some nice profits for all of you who joined us. We made some nice profits on oil, and today we will continue doing some profits. Hopefully we started already with some small profits this morning. We closed 2 oil trades. We made $2,600 this morning, but okay, we go for the next one and hopefully we will get a bit more. So who's with us this morning? Let's have a look. Adrian and Fanos are with us. Francis, hello Francis, good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. Gabriel and George are with us. Howard, hello Howard. Hope you could fix your problem from last night and you found a solution. Jeff, Jenna, and Laura are with us. Oscar is with us. Patrick and Peter, Rachel, and Sean. Very nice. A very nice trading family here with us, and we are getting ready for the first trades of the morning. Let's have a look together. Guys, I am looking. Yes, Francis, was a very good day yesterday, but by the end of the day, I think we made something like $39,000. Not bad, a good day. Why not? Why not? I hope every day we can reach those levels to be happy and successful, but the market needs to give also us the possibility. Now, guys, I'm looking for Italy 40 and DAX. For all of you, I think some of you guys started to follow us on Twitter. For all of you who didn't, I put a small article this morning on Twitter about the budget plan of Italy. As you know, for the last 10 days, 10 working days, Italy is facing issues with the European Union towards the budgeting, and the Ministry of Finance and Economics of Italy just this morning said, okay, we have something beautiful and we will announce it very soon. And I believe this caused this really strong up on Italy 40 this morning. You see here, let's have a big look on it. We opened here, you see, and this huge draw up movement, and now there is a small drop. I have to see when I get a reversal pattern, then I will enter again. Right now it's not really clear on 5 minutes chart if this is a reversal or if it's a, let me see also now. Okay, guys, let me see. I will short Italy 40 now. Guys, I will short Italy 40, but as you know, we will go with tight take profits on Italy 40. I will go with a very tight take profit because I see a reversal on the 15 minutes chart. But the pattern, my indicator shows me a reverse, which means a drop on the price. But when I check the pattern, this could be a normal pull back. That's why we have to be a bit more conservative, and we put a conservative take profit on Italy 40. And when we see that it's really a pattern reversal pattern, then we just increase exposures or enter it again, and that's it. Okay, guys, everything clear? So we entered a short position. We are short on Italy 40. Let's define now our take profit. Let's define our take profit. As I said, I'm going to have a very conservative take profit. 19,500. Yeah, 19,500. Yes, there we go. So our take profit is at, hello, James. James just arrived. Welcome. You just joined us on the right moment. We entered a short position on Italy 40, and our take profit is, I entered Italy 40 at 19,529. And our take profit is at 19,500. With this take profit, we are aiming a profit of around $1,500 profit. Let's see when we will get it, and have it in mind, in Italy 40 currently we will check if this is a reversal as we get it from our indicators indicated, or if this will be just a pullback and our uptrend will continue. Guys, so we have a strong look on Italy 40. Currently we still pay off the spread. As you remember, Howard, I explained you shortly yesterday, once you open a trade, you are always in a minus because you have to pay off the spread. We paid off the spread. We are now in profit with Italy 40, $300 so far, going quite well. So this is the first trade we put for this morning. Let's have a look on our next trade on DAX. Let me see if we have any clear pattern on DAX. Well, guys, let's have a look together on those two trades. There we go. Guys, Italy 40 is very close to hit take profit. Very close. We are right now with $1,200. $1,200. Very close to hit take profit. Let's put it on the 1 minute chart, and we get there. No. Okay, I put it on the 1 minute chart. We are very close to get there. However, until it hits, I will explain you the similarities on the pattern. You see, this chart shows me Italy 40, and this chart shows me DAX. 15 minutes both. Both of them, they opened with a gap, with a small gap, jumped up, and now they had a reversal. A reversal, this is what our indicator is showing, that here is a reversal, and here as well. You see, this looks like a reversal, this looks like a reversal. Our stochastic oscillator is showing a reversal. But as I said before, also for Italy 40, this pattern can indicate also a pullback. That's why we will do the same as we did on Italy 40. We will short DAX with a very narrow take profit, because we have to verify that this is a downtrend and it's not just a pullback. So guys, you understand? We went also short on DAX. We are now short on DAX, short on Italy 40. And I'm putting here a very, very narrow take profit. So I will put here my take profit at 11,745. 11,745. It's around a profit of around $600, if I'm not mistaken. I have to calculate it by heart right now. Okay, now we got that. Yeah, $800, not bad. And again, Howard, for you, as I said, once we open the position, we get a minus number over here, negative number, because we have to pay off the spread. So we have two positions open. We are short on Italy 40 and we are short on DAX. And I entered DAX at 11,759.83, and my take profit is at 11,745. That's the way. So let's see and have a look, right? We'll go there. So next one, gold, our evergreen. Let's see if we see any nice pattern to enter gold. And okay, guys, I see a nice pattern on gold. I will go short on gold. On gold, I will go short. Let me see my nice entry level, a nice point of few more minutes, and I will go short on gold. I told you also yesterday and the day before, guys, gold, the crucial moment of gold is 1,130, and it's turning at 1,130, and it goes down to 1,220. Oh, we missed it. No. Guys, I'm going short now on gold. I just shorted gold. I just shorted gold, guys, and I will put my take profit on gold too. To 1,221, like 85 points down. It's approximately $4,000 profit. We will get there. Nice one. So we have also another position open. So on gold, we are short also on gold. Oh, we go short today. So Howard is asking me if it's too late to open Italy 40. Howard, let's check. I will write now the gold trade and then I will let you know. In general, I have to say, when you see a positive number, we are making right now $600 on Italy 40. We are making $600 on Italy 40 and our take profit is at 1,200. So the halfway we did already. When you see on Italy 40 over here that you come close on my entry level, then you can enter. But now I think it's a bit too late to enter Italy 40, especially because we said on Italy 40 we are still trying to define if this is a trend or if this is a reversal of this. Okay, if this is a reversal or if this is a pullback. This is what we are trying to identify, and we put a very conservative take profit. And it's a bit too late, Howard, to enter Italy 40, but we will have more opportunities. No worries about that. From those trades which I have right now, from those problems which I have right now, I think the only position which is worth to enter at that moment is gold. So let me write it down. We are short on gold, and I entered at 1,221.85 gold, and I will my take profit is at 1,221. That's the yes. So that's good. So Howard, I hope it's clear what I wanted to say. And now I'm passing directly to Kyriakos, and I will talk to you in a short while, guys.
The problem is now fixed. Thank you very much, Eli, for the pass. So let me go through the trades again. So for those of you who have just joined us, as you can see, I have a long position on Aussie dollar, and is making us around $700. Also, I have a long position on Euro Yen, which is currently performing very well, making us a bit more than $2,200. Also, I have a long position on Euro Dollar with a designated entry level price at 1.1504, with stop loss at 1.14470 and take profit at 1.1539. On Pound Aussie, I have a long position, as you can see, at 1.83888, stop loss 1.83318, and take profit 1.84238. So regarding to what Elif has said, if you see a negative number there and you want to follow us, you can do it on Pound Aussie straight away, but make sure you have the same stop losses and the same TPs as mine. If you decide to follow us, it's at your absolute discretion. Also, have in mind that in 2 minutes, we will have important announcements for the GBP. Remember that we are monitoring the news from forexlive.com. Basically, I'm waiting for retail sales. Okay, expectations say for a figure of 3.6%. And it will be very interesting to see how the pound pairs will react to this news. So any minute now, we'll have important announcement news for the GBP from forexlive.com. So stand by, guys, and we will see live. This is the 15-minute chart of pound dollar, and I'm expecting some volatility definitely on the pound. So any minute now, if you see this candle going up and down, it means that the news are out. That's in approximately 1 minute from now. So on pound dollar, as you can see, I'm long. It's not late to follow me if you wish. The profit is minor. Also on the Kiwi, I'm short, and since you see a negative number there, it means that you can follow it and get a better price than what I did. However, have in mind that you need to use the same stop loss and same TP as I do. Dollar CAD, 7 lots short, in the money. Okay, so if you decide to short it now, you will get it at a worse price than me. And I'm also short dollar CHF. That's a good level if you would like to follow to do it. The same for my short position on dollar yen. So if you see a negative number, it means that if you follow me right now on the spot, you get a much better price than what I did. However, if you see a lot of trades on the same pair, take the greatest position size. This is where I'm currently standing on, okay? So we are monitoring now the pairs. The news are out any minute. A small decline on the GBP, on the pound dollar pair. So let's see. Okay, guys, the news are out. Bad news. Everything came out worse than expected. Everything came out worse than expected. I repeat, everything came out worse than expected. Let me see. We don't see any reaction on the pound. It's falling. Λείπουν και αν feeds. All right, I now get them as well. So pound dollar. Let's see the pound dollar position, guys. It's going a bit to the upside now, a bit to the downside. Let's see. On pound dollar, I have a long position. All right, there we go. A small decline on pound dollar. Let's see if this decline will continue. So it seems that the news announcements were not so important for the markets to react sharply. So I'm keeping the positions as they are, no significant changes. If I have any reversal of positions, I will let you know. How many of you guys have followed us on any of these positions? How many of you are trading Forex today? Daniel, the usual suspect. Anyone else? Anyone else traded Forex today, guys? Francis, okay. On which pairs have you traded with me, guys? Just to have an idea on which pairs are you following me so that I will give you more frequent updates. Anyone else has traded on all? Okay, Daniel says on all. I repeat that you need to be careful with your margin requirements if you do that. Aussie dollar, Francis, you followed us on Aussie dollar, long position, all right. Anything else? Any other pair? Guys, what about the rest of you? Why are you here? I mean, trade. That's the point. Trade to make money. Don't be afraid of the markets. If you use proper money management rules, you don't need to be afraid about any pair or any instrument that you are trading. So, as I said yesterday, Forex for me is the safest. Okay, Rachel is also trading Aussie dollar. Guys, in terms of volatility, Forex is the safest instrument you can think of. Why? The maximum volatility of the average volatility in percentage terms of any Forex pair, to explain to you what I mean.
Guys, get ready. We are hitting take profit on our Italy 40 position. Let's get ready. We are another one tick away from our take profit level on Italy 40, guys. And also on DAX, we are very close to hit our take profit. So for all of you guys, I answered you on chat, but I want to emphasize this once again until I hit my take profit. I didn't put a take profit or stop loss on gold, neither on DAX. I want the market to develop and then define the stop loss. And currently, both they are ready to hit take profit before me setting any stop loss on them. This is what I'm doing. So just for DAX, if DAX price goes above 11,780, 90, no, 90, not 80, I wrote. There we go, ching ching, we hit on Italy 40, take profit, $1,686. We hit our take profit on Italy 40 when we increased our daily profits so far to $4,323, guys. Ching, ching, another one. So now we are getting close to DAX, guys. We are getting close to DAX. DAX is very close to hit take profit. Okay, DAX needs a bit more time. If DAX price rise above 11,790, we might consider to take actions, guys. 11,790, we might consider. And now on Italy 40, as I told you guys, we have to check if Italy 40 is just a pullback or if it's a reversal. And I see that this is a reversal and not a pullback. So when we have a better price, we will enter again a sell position. And a better price for me is 19,500. It's a better price. Okay, let's put a pending order on Italy 40. Guys, we are putting a pending order on Italy 40. We put a sell limit. I want to sell Italy 40 at 19,510. I want to go short. That's a minute. No, not 40. 510. I want to go short, so let me write it down. I have a hello, Sebastian. Sebastian follows me on Italy 40. Well done. We will make some nice profits. Thank you for coming. So let's see. Italy 40. We have a pending order. Gabriel is with me as well on Italy 40. It's a pending order, guys. It's a pending order on Italy 40. We will sell. It's a sell limit at very close to get triggered, by the way, very close to get triggered at 19,510. So, and once it gets triggered, and it just got triggered. It just got triggered, guys. So we are short on Italy 40 now. 40, and let's define our take profit on Italy 40. Okay, I will go until 19,477. Okay, our take profit on Italy 40 is at 19,477. You will go. Okay, you take a bit more risk, Sebastian. Well done. Yeah, almost. So with this take profit, we are aiming 1,000. You guessed. I see you follow us quite strongly, and so you started to understand what we do and where we put our take profits. That's good. So we are short on Italy 40, and my take profit is I entered at 19,510, and my take profit is at 19,477. So well done, and hopefully soon we will hit some profits on gold. We have a moment up. Let me see. Let me see if I should take any action on gold. No, guys, I will let it go. And if I see that the gold price rises up above 1,224-ish, then it's time for me to take action. The action might be a hedged position or a reversal, but I have to see first the situation when the price is reached, and then I will take action on that. So let's wait a bit more for gold, and I will inform you how we will handle the gold position. Now, Kyriagos, please. Sorry for the interruption.
No worries, Elif. So what I was telling you guys is that you are here to learn and you are here to trade, okay? So don't be afraid to trade Forex. What kills Forex traders is greed and leverage. So if you have proper position size management, depending on your account balance, you have nothing to be afraid by trading Forex, okay? So just imagine that, do you know what is the average daily Forex volatility on euro dollar? Is 0.4%, okay? Do you know what is the average volatility in stocks? 1.2%. That's 3 times the volatility we have in Forex. So Forex in volatility percentages is very safe, I would say, rather than stocks or any other instrument, okay? Especially against Bitcoin. So don't be afraid to trade Forex. Use the strategy that I have shown you. Use the Excel spreadsheet that I have sent to your account managers to calculate the proper position sizes. Use an initial position size that you feel safe. What do I mean I feel safe? You get the feeling that if you place that position, you can go outside of the house without the need to watch the screen every moment. This means that the position that you have opened, the position size, is safe. Okay, so if, for example, you have a $100,000 account and you trade with 0.5, half a lot, it's an okay position size, or even less, 0.10 lots. So you don't need to trade initial position size 3 lots or 2 lots. You are here to learn. You are here to trade. You are here to practice. Nice. I think Sebastian is saying that he followed me on pound. Yen was a good one. I followed you on that one. Okay, good. All the pounds behaved good yesterday, and we are also today on the pounds. As you can see, Sebastian, we are long on pound Aussie and we are long on pound dollar. What we are monitoring today is the pound dollar chart. So what I would like to say, and I want to conclude, guys, is that don't be afraid to trade all the instruments you can. The better you get familiar with the majority of the instruments, the better practice you will have and the better understanding you will have for the markets, because don't be mistaken by others. I mean, Forex, indices, stocks, commodities, they are all interrelated instruments. Okay, you must look at every single asset class when you are trading. Okay, so Roberto, good morning from Canada. Nice to have you and welcome. So guys, let me repeat what the positions are first of all. I'm long Aussie dollar, I'm long euro yen, I'm long euro dollar, I'm long pound Aussie, I'm long pound dollar, shorting the Kiwi, shorting the Loonie dollar card, the other name for dollar card, you might hear it outside as Loonie, L-O-O-N-I-E. I'm short dollar CHF and I'm short dollar yen. As you can see, one pair is missing. That's the pair I have closed in the morning with a profit, pound yen. So we are not trading again pound yen today. It's already closed $2,175, right? Now, have in mind that I want to stress out again the system that I'm using. I'm looking for direction and volatility. This means volatility with a clear direction. Volatility without direction is killing me, in inverted commas, okay? So this is the strategy and my philosophy. Why hit a stop loss if I can open a reversal position with a bigger position size and reverse the negative losses to profits? That's what I'm using, and that's what I am teaching you as well, and that's what I'm showing to you. Now, if you would like to know more about this strategy and all the maths and the statistics behind it and how to optimize it even more, you can come to a one-to-one session with me and I will show you exactly how this operates. Another thing that you can do if you already have a strategy, even if it doesn't work. Do you know how many traders came to me and say that I have a strategy but it doesn't work? We can fix it and make it work. Okay? So don't worry if it doesn't work. Just still come to one-to-one sessions with us. It is very important to come to one-to-one sessions. How can you arrange a one-to-one session? You need to contact your account managers at trademy.com. So either with myself or with Elif, of course. Don't forget Elif. Elif is also here. So these are the current updates I have. I mean, I don't have anything else to add. Just to have a look on the news, we had important announcements from the pound, very bad announcements. Retail sales came negative, less than expected actually, from 3.7 down to 3.2. Retail sales year on year came out worse than expected again, from 3.6 to 3.0%. But as you can see, the pound dollar pair has not reacted to the downside. Okay. Now, coming on at 12:30 p.m. UTC time, we have Philadelphia Fed manufacturing survey for the United States and ADP employment change for the Canadian dollar. So these are basically the highlights for today's trading session. Regarding news announcements, we don't expect any major news announcements other than the ones that I have mentioned at 12:30 p.m. UTC time. So our trades are running. Apart from Rachel, Daniel, and Francis, who else has traded Forex today, guys? As I said, trade. You are here to trade everything that we do. Who else has followed? Who else has traded Forex? Roberto, what about you? Have you traded Forex today? Have you placed any trade? With us, against us, doesn't matter. All right. So I will give a pass to Elif and I will come back with the final updates. Thank you.
Hey guys, here I am again. So I told you about gold, what we will do with gold, and the setup is clear for me right now. No, Sebastian, it's not a bad entry time. It's not a bad entry time. We just pay off the spread. The market needs a bit air to move. It's not a bad entry time. Trust me, Sebastian. Trust me. So with gold, guys, I'm getting ready on gold to increase my exposure. I'm getting ready on gold to increase my exposure. Let me see. Yes, I'm going short again on gold with 20 lots, guys. I'm going short again. There we go. I'm again short on gold. Yes, guys, you will say, come on, what she's doing, why she's going short again for a position that is losing. Guys, look at this picture. It's so clear. Here, it's a very strong reversal support level. And we hit again here, we hit again here, and it might hit another one time and then it will reverse. So why not to get the entry level, right? So we entered again a short position on gold. I entered this at 1,223.3 and my take profit on this position will be at, come on, let's make it a bit more nice, and I will put my take profit at 1,221.85. This is my take profit, so I want the move from here to here, and I will be happy. I will be happy. So it will hit, gold will hit several times trying to break through this level, and once it breaks, sky is the limit. If it's not, it will return, and it looks like it will return. That's why I entered again a short position. I have now 2 short positions on Italy for on gold. We have 1 position open on Italy 40. Yep, that's clear. That's clear. You see this, guys? It's a very strong downtrend building up here. That's why it will take a bit time, and then we will get our money in, Sebastian. Don't worry. So let's check our DAX position. DAX and Italy 40, they behave quite similar. Also on DAX, we put our take profit quite narrow, and that's why I am quite positive about the movements also here. I still need time for identifying the stop loss, or if we see that DAX moves above 11,785, we might enter opposite position or close our position according to the situation, but it looks all okay currently, no issue. Also, oil, since yesterday after the oil inventories, I see Kyriakos wants to show you some of his profits. Please.
It's not a profit yet, the lift, but it's getting there, guys. As you can see, we are monitoring the euro-yen trade. The green button has appeared, has lightened up. A nice upside rally on euro-yen, but now we have to overcome the obstacle, which is called MA 200 periods. And as I have said many times until now, the MA of 200 periods is a good resistance level for intraday trading purposes. Now, as you can see, based on the system that I'm using, I have reversed from short positions to long on euro-yen. Why hit stop loss and take the losses? Reverse to opposite direction trades with bigger calculated position size. And as you can see, even if I close it now, I'm making $200. So as you can see, the buy position reversed is making more money than the losing trade. And that's exactly how I'm making money out of Forex. So that's why you need to use the Excel I have provided you in order to calculate, based on your account balance, the correct position size of your first initial trade. All right? And all the rest, they come out automatically. This is the first reversal. Aussie dollar is also doing well, of course. Thank you, Daniel, for the reminder. It started to you can take it, Sebastian, from your account manager. I have sent it over a few days ago. Your account managers at Trademy.com have it. You can get it from those people, very good people. You can get it, and they can even explain to you how it actually works. It's very simple. That's a straightforward calculation of position size. The Excel spreadsheet is just used to calculate the position size of the first trade, of the second trade, of the third trade, and how exactly the pending orders are placed. So if you would like to know more about that, guys, you can also arrange a one-to-one session with us to explain it better. So Aussie dollar is making money, euro yen is making money, euro dollar is started to make money. Let's check the other pairs. Last update, I have reversed again to short positions of pound Aussie, already in the money for the moment. Pound dollar is making money, so the majority of the trades are making money. I think today as well will be a good day and profitable day here at Trademy.com on the Forex pairs. So these are the current developments of the positions. So as you can see, the euro yen has climbed nicely, and look how technical analysis works. Now we have the MA of 200 periods and it has stuck there. Okay, so what I'm expecting now, for a few 15-minute candles, I'm expecting a sideways movement. Okay, and then I believe that it will continue to go up and eventually hit our TP. But you see how the prices have respected that level. Now, another update is that I have just reversed again. I have just reversed to long positions on the Kiwi. So on the Kiwi, I'm now long, entry level price 0.65694, stop loss 0.65124, and TP 0.66044. This is the latest update that I have for the moment. So I repeat, New Zealand positions have reversed to long positions now on the Kiwi. So these are the positions we have for the moment. They are running. We will let them run, not touching them, and I'm monitoring closely Aussie dollar, euro yen. I'm monitoring everything closely. So what about the rest of you guys? Have you traded Forex again today? How much you have made? If you have closed any positions, as I said many times, if you feel, what is that? What is the meaning when MA crosses 200 periods? We have a question from Daniel. MA 50, first of all, is the orange line, and MA 200 periods is the purple line. Now, if the MA 50 crosses below MA 200, technically, it means that we have the so-called death cross. And the prices should move to the downside, generally speaking. However, that's not always the case, especially for intraday trading purposes. If MA 50 crosses above MA 200 periods, in other words, if the orange line, MA 50, cuts above and goes above the purple line of MA 200 periods, then we have the so-called, in technical analysis, golden cross, and is considered to be a buy signal. However, in theory, this is what it means. In practice, it differs, as the majority of the lessons you had in school. In the high school, you learn some things, but in practice, they are much more different than theory. That's why we have the one-to-one sessions, guys. So if you would like to know exactly, so if you would like to know how exactly to interpret and utilize MAs and Bollinger Bands on your trading, that's the purpose of one-to-one sessions. That's exactly the purpose of the one-to-one sessions, because the books say if the short MA crosses the long, buy. If the short MA crosses below the long-term MA, sell. That's not absolutely the case when you trade. Sometimes it is, but at the majority, those of you who are trading for years, I'm sure you will confirm this. You see a bearish cross and the market goes up, and the opposite. So I think I see Elif has an update. So let's go to Elif.
Ching, ching, guys. Ching, ching. Italy 40. I told you guys. Italy 40 hit again a take profit. So Italy 40, another $1,900 and $1,800. Nice one. We increased our profits for today to $6,126. Not bad, guys. And I told you, Italy 40, it's like my right hand. I know how it moves. So don't worry about Italy 40. Howard, did you manage to close your Italy 40 position? I think you entered with me Italy 40, and I think you should have been now, the take profit should have been triggered by now. Now the next one is our Gabriel. You too, right? I forgot. Sorry for that. You closed it. You made some ching ching. So, next one is our DAX position. We have another DAX position going on. As you can see, also this DAX position is coming close to hit our take profit. Let me see. Let me see. We are making right now $400, $500, and our take profit on DAX is at $800. So let it a bit to run, and when we decide how it will continue, let it a bit more to run and it will get there. And then we have another two positions open on gold. I told you I increased my exposure on gold. It's hitting all the time against the same level and then turning back. So that's why I increased my exposure on gold. And soon I will get also some nice profits here on DAX. We are there. We are almost there, guys. We are almost there to hit our take profit on DAX. Come on, another $800. Come on, come on, come on. We will get another $800. Come on. Let's look at it on the 1 minute chart. Yes, there we go. Another one tick and we are there. We will get our $800 and ching ching, $853 on DAX, and we increased our profits for today to $6,980, a nice one. And we still have positions open on gold. We are left with two positions on gold, and we are looking forward for that turn to increase our profits for the day. So we closed all our Italy 40 positions and DAX positions, and we are left with two gold positions. Let's have a short look also to silver, how silver is behaving in case that we see a nice entry point to get also silver position into the pocket. Let me see on silver. Nope, no nice level on silver yet. On gold, I'm just looking at it. If I see a strong reverse pattern on gold, I will increase and go another, and will go another 30 lots short if I see a strong level of a drop, but not yet. Not yet. So guys, we are left with 2 hours of our gold positions, and we will get more. Kyriakos wants to update you as well. If I see a nice entry level, I will let you know.
Okay, guys, I'm now looking at the high probability trades, and the high probability trade comes from the pair called Pound Aussie, guys. It's amazing. It's getting ready to crash. And the good news about us is that we are short on Pound Aussie. We are short on Pound Aussie. So what I'm observing here, first of all, I have 100% confirmation from the moving averages setup. Parabolics turned negative, bearish the last 15 minutes. MACD for the past half an hour is indicating us an increasing bearish momentum. RSI is sloping downwards below 50, also indicating technically an increasing bearish momentum. And the last, it says that the ADX indicator says what, guys? It says that we are expecting an increasing negative directional movement. So that's a 100% confirmation trade. And any minute now, I believe that we will hit the TP. So I want to repeat, however, that based on what I see in front of me now at this time of the hour, okay? In Forex, you can never celebrate, and I have told you that many times, unless you hit TP. So I like what I see on the chart, but we need to wait and see it happen. So pound Aussie is doing great. Also, pound euro yen is also doing great, and actually we are getting ready this time, as expected, a bit of sideways movement on the MA of 200 periods, and now is trying to resume its upside movement. I'm just waiting for the chart to load. So get ready for TPs on euro yen, and get ready for TPs also on pound Aussie. So I will come back to you if I have any more updates, but it seems that euro yen is getting really close to hit TP. As you can see, the green color has also appeared. Let's put the chart. Euro yen, we are now 10 pips away from our take profit, less than 10 pips now. It's ranging around the MA of 200 periods. As I said, I believe it will break it to the upside and eventually leave us with profits. So we are getting ready to hit TPs on euro yen. And for the moment, we are closely monitoring all the trades that we have positions on. So any updates, Elif? Do you have any further updates? All right. That's all for the moment. You are monitoring my screen. Aussie dollar is also getting ready to hit TPs. This is the euro yen chart. As we can see, is breaking to the upside. Let's see, we will manage and hit the TP towards the end of our session. Also, Aussie dollar is performing very well, and I know that some of you have followed me on Aussie dollar. Rachel, I think, Daniel. Guys, I would like to remind you that if at any point you feel comfortable with the profits, just close them, all right? You don't need to wait for my TPs or my stop losses. If you feel uncomfortable with at any time with the losses, you can cut the trade as you wish. Daniel is making $1,770 from Aussie dollar. The same I do, Daniel, almost $1,700, $1,800 now. Get ready for TPs, guys, on euro yen and Aussie dollar. Get ready for TPs on euro yen and Aussie dollar. We are just 8 pips away from euro yen, and we are just 9 pips away from euro dollar. We are monitoring now the euro yen trade, euro yen chart actually. We are closely monitoring that. Let's see, $3,500 from our hedge positions. Hello, Tonstein. Let me check and update you. You are talking about Forex pairs, or are you talking about indices pairs? If you are talking about Forex pairs, you need to find a trade that is in a negative territory currently. Look at the pound Aussie, guys. It has broken to the downside. Currently is making us $7,000. $7,000. $7,300. Come on, it's going to be great. We are making $7,000. We have almost covered the losing position. Just a little bit more and we will cover it completely and make money as well. So we are monitoring the euro yen, just 8 pips away from the TP, and the same 8. All right, pound Aussie. Get ready for take profits on Aussie dollar, euro yen, and pound Aussie. We are getting there, guys. Let's see now the action. Now, let's see the action going on. Let's see. We are just 8 pips away from Aussie dollar, almost 8 pips from euro yen, and we are just 8 pips also from pound Aussie. Look at this trade here, is recovering the losing trade too fast. So let's see currencies. Let's see. Basically, you can follow us if you wish on the long position of pound dollar. It hasn't moved a lot yet. As you can see, the profits here are minor. You can follow us on the long position on pound dollar. Also, you can follow us on the long position of the Kiwi. Since it's a negative number, you will get it at a better price than what I did. So long pound dollar if you wish, long Kiwi if you wish. Dollar CAD you can notice in profits. You can also short dollar CHF. It's very close to the price we got it. And also you can short dollar yen. Okay, Torstein? Is it clear? But make sure you use the same TPs and stop losses I use. And also you need to be standby in case I reverse my positions. Of course, you will be the first ones that you know about it. So come on, why stuck there now? We want profits. We want profits. Pound nosing is doing very well for the moment. Okay, guys, you are monitoring my screen. Let's see, it's going to be any minute now, I believe. You are monitoring my screen. Red and green colors have appeared. Let's see if we will manage and close these positions before the end of the trading session. As you can see, Euro Yen is now trying to break above the MA of 200 periods. And that's very good for our net long positions. Let's see if we will hit our TP eventually. So guys, you are monitoring my screen, and if I hit TPs, I will let you know. Elif has an update.
Hello guys, so we have a nice entry level for a new trade, guys. I see a very nice entry level for a new trade, and the new trade is on Italy 40, and we don't go short, we will go long. I want, guys, it will drop a bit more, have it in mind. It will drop a bit more, and then we will have a reversal on Italy 40. So what I will do now, okay guys, I will enter now Italy 40. I'm going long on Italy 40, but have it in mind that it seems like that it will drop for a short while, but I will go. I'm going long on Italy 40. Just opened the long position on Italy 40, and my take profit will be at at 19,520. Genau, 19,520 will be my take profit on this trade. This is what I'm looking for, and I'm getting ready that if I see that the price drops further down, I might open additionally one trade. I might open again one trade, but I believe that soon it will reverse and go up. That's what I believe on Italy 40. That's why I put this trade. So guys, for you to write down, I am now long on Italy 40, and I entered at 19,437.90, and my take profit is at 19,520. Technically, I could go now again long on Italy 40, but I will not. I will wait a bit more, and most probably later on, I will enter again a long position on Italy 40. As I told you guys, I expect that the price will drop a bit, and then I will enter. So It's very soon. When I see here a cross, I will enter. Once I see a cross, I will enter and increase my exposure on Italy 40, guys. I will enter it again. So let's get ready for, I will inform you on chat once I go again long on Italy 40. Currently, we have one position open on Italy 40 and 2 positions open on gold. And for today, we made by now $6,980. For today, we traded oil, Italy 40 and DAX. We have also 2 gold positions open, which we still wait for a reversal, and we see how it will work. So that's so far from me. I will observe Italy 40 very, very closely, and most probably I will enter another one trade on Italy 40. Nope, I will wait here for my cross and then I will enter another trade on Italy 40. So guys, for me, I will inform you again when I enter Italy 40, and until then, I'm here. If you have any questions, just type them on chat and I will reply to you. Kyriakos, do you have any updates? No. So for today, I think for the morning hours, we are done. We are here. Some webinars will follow. Daniel, trust is good. Controlling is better. This is what we say in Germany. Look, what we do here, Daniel, is knowledge is a treasure. You know that. Everybody knows that. Knowledge is treasure. But the key for the treasure is practice. And this is what we offer you here at Trademy.com. We have the knowledge, which you get through the courses, your packages, and so on. And here with me and with Kyriakos, you learn to practice this knowledge. So you open the treasure. And that's why trust is okay, it's good. But if you see something which doesn't fit with your knowledge, you just raise your hand up and you say, I have another opinion. It's always an enrichment for both of us. So trust is good, controlling is better, Daniel. Just have it in mind. So guys, we will talk. Some videos will come right now, and then I will inform you about my trades and Kyriakos about his, and we will be back. Have a nice time until then, and we talk. Bye, guys.
Okay, guys, I'm back again for a small update. It seems that the Euro-Yen is getting ready to hit our TPs. Okay, just 7 pips away now, a nice movement. And we are just also 5 pips away from Aussie dollar position. So you see the Euro-Yen chart is getting very close to hit our TP. And it would be very interesting to see if we will hit it. And as you can see, look at the pips here. 9 pips from here and 6 pips from there from Aussie dollar. So our best performers for the moment are Euro Yen and Aussie dollar, and also pound Aussie is performing very well. Look at our $7,200 trade. So get ready for TPs. Get ready for TPs. Hopefully we will get them. As I said, we cannot party unless we actually get the money in our pockets. I will come back if I have any more updates. Thank you. So good afternoon again, guys. Just a very quick update. It seems that our Aussie dollar position is doing great. Pound dollar has started to perform very well. And we see a sudden, as expected actually, I observe now on Euro Yen a sideways movement, consolidation. So it will be a very decisive move from Euro Yen. However, we are long positions on Euro Yen. We have the MAs protecting long positions as they are acting now as a support level. So basically what we have here in Euro Yen currently, we have the short-term MAs acting as a support, and we have the long-term MA of 200 periods acting as a resistance. So it's an either side breakout, but I believe that eventually the MA of 200 periods will break to the upside. Doesn't matter if it will break to the upside or to the downside. We will make money either way, but since we are so close to our TP, it's better to get hit and get over it. As I said, I don't like trading ranges. Now, if we see Aussie dollar chart, this is Aussie dollar, a nice climbing to the upside, okay? And is slowly, now the rate of acceleration has, the rate of positive directional movement, I would say more correctly, using technical analysis terms, has declined a bit. And this can also be observed by the plus DI indicator on the chart. Instead of watching rising plus DI, you see a declining plus DI. But as soon as this guy here, the negative DI, keeps below 20, we have nothing to be afraid. Slowly, slowly, I believe we are getting there and we will hit it. Don't forget that, I repeat, and I have said it before, I get 100% confirmation signals on Aussie dollar. Now, moving on to our pound dollar position, which we are for the moment long, okay? This is the pound dollar chart. Again, we see same attitude as Aussie dollar. We don't get 100% confirmation signals. The moving averages are giving mixed signals, not short. But we have confirmation from MACD, from RSI and ADX. But again, here, as you can see, this guy here, the positive directional indicator is pointing to the dark side. But as I said before, as soon as this guy is trading below 20, we have nothing to be afraid. And I believe that slowly, slowly, the market will go and test the MA of 200 periods. Now, Pound Aussie was performing extremely well, as if you remember, before we end our morning session. But it has made a sudden upside move. However, no need to be panicked. As I said, keep calm and follow Trademy. That's my slogan. So we see now what happened basically on Pound Aussie. We have a small upside reaction towards the short-term MAs. And as you can see now, we are falling down again. If we see new lows, I believe we will have a great probability of hitting our TP. Now, Aussie dollar is just 5 pips away from our TP, as you can see. So get ready for a TP on Aussie dollar. Now we are just 4 pips away, 4.3 actually. We are long, so we want the chart price, the bid price. Remember that on the chart you always see the bid price. We are waiting patiently for the Aussie dollar to close, okay? So I will put the Aussie dollar trade, which is the pair that is closer to hit our TP. You are monitoring my screen. That's not the Aussie dollar trade. I'm just waiting for the chart to load. And there we go. So you see, slowly, slowly, we are making higher highs. So I'm patiently waiting for this trade also to close with TP. Unfortunately, guys, for the moment, I have only closed one position, pound yen, but as I said, patience. Patience makes money. So we are waiting for the other positions to eventually move in our direction and make some more money. Thank you. So guys, I know the movement is very slow, and I know that some of you might not have the patience to keep Aussie dollar, but however, I have kept it. And as you can see, and as expected actually, slowly, slowly moving to the upside. So I believe that any minute now, we will hit our take profit on Aussie dollar. And congratulations to those of you who had managed to place that trade with me. And also bigger congratulations to those of you who had the patience to keep it. Okay, so we are getting there slowly, just 3 pips away. There it is, our TP at 71,523, and it is currently trading at 49. So it seems that we are getting there, guys, and guess what? We will make money. Okay, so we are monitoring the Aussie dollar trade. How many of you are still keeping that trade, by the way? I would love to know that. So how many of you are still long Aussie dollar since the morning? How many of you had the patience required for this trade? It requires a lot of patience, this trade. So guys, just type in the chat room, Francis. Good, Francis. And as I said, well done for your patience that you have presented, and well done for the management of your psychology. Now, Francis and anyone, if you feel comfortable with the profits, just close it. It's still money. All right, so you don't need to risk that trade for 3 pips. I will, but if you wish, you don't. Okay. So Francis, how much money are you making currently from the Aussie dollar position? Just share it with us so that I know. My question basically was, how much money are you making right now from the long position, $75? Well, it's still 2 burgers and a couple of beers, Francis. $75. Respect the money, guys. Respect them. $75 is $75. So, as I said, it's at your absolute discretion whether to keep it or not. I'm keeping it. You know me. I'm keeping it, except if I see something very strange, like yesterday where I closed the pound positions. Exactly. And a big well done to those of you who had the patience to keep it until now, because it's a very slow movement. No, it might take us until the afternoon to close. So well done, guys, to those of you who have had the patience and let the market rise for the past 1.5 hours and eventually make money out of it. Well done, guys. A big well done. So you are monitoring my screen. I will go at the meeting in approximately 5 minutes, and I will be back in approximately 1 hour. In the meantime, Elif will be with you if you have any questions about her positions. And I will come back in an hour, and then we will see what happens. Thank you.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to the afternoon session here at Trademy.com. And guys, nothing closed. It's such a slow afternoon. It's such a slow afternoon. From between our morning session and now, nothing closed. Everything is still like we had open. 1 Italy 40 position, 2 gold positions. Nothing changed. Our balance remained at $6,980. Now slowly gold started to give us some small profits, and maybe now before the US opening and after the hawkish interpretation of the Fed minutes, we might have a kind of move here, but it's so tiring not to have any nice move here. But okay, the only interesting movement is still going on oil. On oil, we have these very constant small moves since yesterday. The price is dropping and further dropping. And I'm even considering now to enter or oil trade in the afternoon. I'm considering to open an oil trade. Let's sell oil. I just sold oil, and I will explain you why I'm interested today in oil. I told you yesterday already, guys. Hello, Dan. Dan just arrived to our live trading session here at Trademy.com. Welcome, Dan. Nice to have you here. If you have any kind of questions, do not hesitate to type on chat and inform and contact us via chat function. So back to oil. Guys, why I'm interested on oil this afternoon is, as I told you also yesterday and the day before, there is a journalist which disappeared since last week, and most probably he was killed by Saudi diplomats or special forces or whatever. Nobody really knows what happened, and he was working for he was living in the States and was quite Saudi critical, and now there is a huge discussion in the States how they should handle this situation and how they should impose sanctions against the Saudis, which is also dangerous because they are having a lot of oil, the power of oil, and they have also some weapon deals with the States. However, today Trump gave a notice and said, okay, we want more evidence, and we need evidence, and this calmed the Saudis a bit more down, because how they should get the evidence. So, however, we are short on oil, and I put a take profit at 68.600 is $900 of profit. Let me write down the position. So we are short on oil. We entered at 68.754, and our take profit is at 68.600. So this is our trade. I just entered it on chat. Here we go. On oil, we started to make some profits. This is nice. Now, let me see who is with us this afternoon. So on oil, we are making right now $265. We have some newcomers here at our afternoon session. We are here with Adrian, Alexander, and Dan. Hello, Dan. Again, welcome. Hope you will enjoy this live trading session. And once again, if something is not clear, just type it on chat and I will try to answer it as soon as possible. Also, Daniel is with us, and Fanos. Francis, hello, Francis. Gabriel. Yeah, Francis, Gabriel, we opened some trades on Italy 40 this morning and they still didn't close. Howard is with us. Hello, Howard. Getting really used to the live trading session and the environment. Nice to have you here. Jeff, Jenna, Laura, Mary. Hello, Mary, and Ola Bananji. Hello. Patrick, Rachel, Roberto, and Robin. Robin, also a newcomer. Robin, welcome to our live trading session. Also for you, If something is not clear, just type on chat and I will answer. Terence, long time no see. It's been some time that you haven't come join us in the live trading session. Nice to see you here being with us. And if you want to get any information what we did in the morning or what we did yesterday, just let us know, Terence. So these are now currently our audience, and let's see what our trades are doing. As I said, we have still a position open on gold, and we just started to move in our favor, on the one gold position we are making right now, $2,500, and in the ching ching we hit take profit, guys. Whew. The whole day we didn't move. Really, we didn't move, and now for the afternoon session we hit a take profit with $3,000. We started our afternoon session with $3,000 of profit on gold. Ooh, nice one. Now the other one is coming as well. We are aiming here $4,000 profit. We are aiming here $4,000 profit. We increased our daily profits to $10,000, and we still have some space to go, guys. Let me see. On oil, we are making right now $600. Italy 40 still loses. Okay, gold needs also a bit more time. There we go. So oil close to hit take profit. Our take profit is at $900. Our take profit on oil is at $900, and right now oil, we are making a profit on oil of $400. Anybody managed to enter the oil position with me? Yes or no? Guys, I will tell you something. I'm thinking of entering again a gold trade. I have a gold trade open. I'm losing right now, but this is a very, very strong indication. I'm selling again gold. I entered again a gold trade, guys. I increased again my exposure on gold, and I'm selling again gold. My take profit on gold is at 21,221.15. So this is my next gold trade, guys. Let's see how fast we will hit here our take profit. Since the morning we are trying to get some gold trades in, and now we got it. This is a very, very strong move, and I increased my exposure on gold. We closed already one position. I increased again my exposure, and yep, that's going very well. That's going very, very well. So let me write it down. I am again short on gold. I am again short on gold, guys, and I entered at 1,222.15, and my take profit is at 1,221.15. 0.15. Wait a minute, there is something wrong, guys. So my my entry level is at 1,222.15, and my take profit is at 1,221.15. I have 2 positions open on gold, 1 position on oil, and 1 position on Italy 40 since this morning. Italy 40 had this drop, but I believe during the opening it will jump up and we will get some profits in. So we will have a close look on gold and then we will enter again. So let me see what Kyriakos is doing right now, and then we will be back here.
Thank you very much, Lee, for the pass. So, guys, first of all, welcome to our afternoon session. You have been monitoring my screen for the majority of the time between the morning and the afternoon session. And as you can see, unfortunately today, guys, I haven't managed to close yet a single position. No, actually, I'm lying. I have closed 1 just on pound yen, but that's it. It happens. And those of you who are with us sometime, you know what I'm talking about. I mean, yesterday I closed all 10 forex pairs, but today I don't have the directional volatility that I want. So as a result, we haven't lost money, of course. Okay, so we need to be more patient. Okay, even Aussie dollar in the morning was marginally close to hit our TP and then it came down. Pound Aussie, the chart that you are monitoring, there it is, our TP. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times it tested it and now it's going in the opposite direction. However, absolutely no worries, because if it goes to that level, we will reverse our positions to net long. The same for all the pairs. I mean, if we examine all the pairs one by one, okay, let's put now the Euro Yen, for example, chart. If I now put the Euro Yen chart, just a minute to load, please, because this is not pounds. These are not Euro Yen prices. Just a minute to load. All right, it's loading. So what I'm trying to say is that there it is. So I'm aiming for 35 pips profit for every trade I place, okay? So if Euro Yen open here approximately 129.50 and is now trading at 37, so this means that it's a range, indecision. For the moment, by the way, as you can see, I'm long on Euro Yen. If the price tries to break this line here, this support here, I will revert again to short positions. The same for all the pairs. I mean, they went nicely up, approaching our TP, but it seems that the MA of 200 periods acted as a real resistance level. You see that? This is the MA of 200 periods on the 15-minute chart, and today on Euro Yen, it acted like a goalkeeper towards the box. I mean, the players were trying to score, but the goalkeeper was keep defending the ball from the net, just to talk about football language, since we have a number of men here. So it acted as a real resistance. Moving averages, just for you to know, in technical analysis, we call them also as curving trend lines, because usually trend lines are straight lines. MAs have a curving slope. That's why you might hear some of us calling them curving trend line. So what's the outcome of the day? You have to be more patient and let the trades develop, okay? So also have in mind that for any long position, I have the equivalent short one, sell stop order. For any short position, like for example on pound Aussie, I have the equivalent buy stop order, and I will be updating you in case I reverse any of the positions. The last reversal I had is that I have reversed my positions on dollar CHF to long positions, and it seems that the last trade I have reversed, it seems to be doing well. So I will put now the dollar CHF chart. By the way, Elif, just let you know that she has just shorted silver at 14.543 with take profit at 14.505. So we are just minutes away from the US opening. Let's hope that the US Open will cause some volatility, directional volatility actually, in order to manage for me to close some positions. Otherwise, I will keep everything overnight. And when I come back tomorrow, we will see what we got through the night, or who knows, they might still be at the same levels through the night. So we are monitoring now the dollar CHF. We have reversed a few minutes ago to long positions, and again you see that it's stuck there. So we need to be patient. Okay. So this is the current update I have. I don't have anything more to say. How many of you have traded any forex pairs? I know that some of you have traded Aussie dollar. I think, Francis, have you closed the position with $75, or do you still keep it? If Francis is hearing me, you can answer in the chat room if you closed it, because we had a nice chat and I told you that $75 is enough for a few beers. Burgers is money, you need to respect them. I didn't close it. You have kept it. Okay, it's your choice. I'm keeping it as well. But have in mind, guys, that I might reverse them at any moment, okay? So if you are making money from the positions and we are towards the end of our session, since I will not be here during the night to inform you if I will reverse my positions, if you are making money, just take them. Okay, don't leave the positions, because if I reverse through the night, you will not know. Of course, if I reverse, the next thing in the morning, you follow the last trade reversed again. So just for you to know. So these are the positions I have. Let me revise them, and then let me first of all look on the forexlive.com if we have any other important announcements for the day. Okay, guys, doesn't work. Elif, pospasti. You can take the screen, please.
So back to me, guys. Yes, I opened a silver position. Guys, I opened a silver position because I see this nice drop on silver, and I would like to follow this drop also. Yeah, that's okay. And if anybody of you decides now to enter the silver or the gold position, you will get a much better price than I did. I'm short on silver and I'm short on gold. I have also an oil position short, and I'm long on Italy 40. I'm looking at those positions very closely, and I will get very soon some profits. It's moving right now a bit against me. This is the tension before the US opening. It's okay, and we see what will happen. Guys, it's very, very important to know for you. We will have we will have again today earnings. So 10 minutes to the US opening. And today it's very important, the earning of PayPal and eBay. Let me see, it's an interesting news. I have to have always also gold in on my screen, because gold, we are highly exposed on gold. That's why we have to see if there is any kind of reaction. We have to react on gold. We are highly exposed. There is nothing much to play with gold. Like the silver position is okay, no problem, but on gold we have to be aware what's going on. We are highly exposed, and if it's necessarily, we need to open a hedged position on gold. Leave it, it's okay. It seems to be okay. Sometimes there is a, yeah, it's okay. So back to the earning release. Today we will have results from Philip Morris. Today we will have results from PayPal, and PayPal might announce a split from eBay, which is also very interesting and highly interesting to look. But in general, I have to say that we have very hawkish moments due to the Fed signals with the negative results, that they might have higher interest rate decisions. And we see, guys, my eyes are on gold. I'm not concerned about gold, but still, because I'm highly exposed on it, I have to see and take actions if something is needed. That's why I might interrupt my topic, which I'm talking about, and switch directly to gold, but it seems quite okay. Did anyone? No. Okay. So we are short with 2 positions on gold. We are short on silver. This is the silver chart. This is the gold chart. This is the Italy 40 chart. Italy 40, we have it open since this morning, running slowly. We see what will happen with it. Really, it's an entire day, afternoon to move like that. It's not very often the case with Italy 40, but we see it's okay. We see in general, as Kyriakos already said, and it was very clear also on the Forex side of things, it's a bit slow. The market is a bit slow. I think this tension on the markets made the situation today a bit slowed down. I believe with the US opening, which will be in approximately 7 minutes, we will have some volatility, hopefully, to wake up and we see. However, until this time comes, we will make a small round and we will see what our trades, if we can find any additional possibility to trade. Okay, before I go the round, and we have another 6 minutes for the US opening, Kyriakos would like to update you shortly about his current situation, and then we will be back here to me with the American opening.
Thank you very much, Eli, for the pass again. So guys, let me round up and write you down the current positions that I have for the moment. Those of you who have just joined us, and let's see. Alexander, you have been very quiet today. Dan Degelman, welcome Dan. I think it's the first time I see you online. Where are you from, Dan? Just type in the chat room your country of residence so that we know from which countries we have. I see Daniel as usual, Fanos, Francis, Gabriel, George, Howard. Howard, you made a question about dollar yen. I have answered it, but I don't know if you have received the message. You haven't confirmed it. So just type a yes or an okay in the chat room so that I know everything is okay. Hello, Jeff. Hello, Jenna. Laura. Hello, Mary. Mr. Olabanji. Again, you are lost today. You haven't communicated with us. Say a hello. Say a good afternoon so that we know that you're here. Patrick, good afternoon. Rachel, Roberto, and Robin. So, as I said before, very low directional volatility today. Those of you who were here with us yesterday, 10 forex pairs closed all 10. Today, 10 forex pairs, I closed only one trade. Pound yen, $2,175. It happens. It happens. You need to be patient. Okay? So, what are the current positions? And then I will go straight to a leaf for the US opening. So, for Aussie dollar, I have a long position on Aussie dollar. My entry level was at 0.71173. Stop loss is set at 0.7063 and TP 0.71523. For Euro Yen, I'm long on Euro Yen at 129.447. Stop loss 128.877 and take profit at 129.797. Euro dollar, same direction as Euro Yen. I'm long also on Euro dollar. Entry level 1.15040. Stop loss 1.14470 and TP at 1.15390. Pound Aussie, currently our biggest loser for the moment. I'm short Pound Aussie at 1.83668. Stop loss 1.84238 and TP at 1.83318. Pound dollar, I'm long on pound dollar. Long pound dollar, entry level for the long position was what? 1.31031. Stop loss 1.34661 and TP 1.31381. For the Kiwi, I'm long the Kiwi. Long the Kiwi. Entry level 65694. Stop loss 0.65124. TP 0.66044. Dollar CAD short. So I'm short on the loonie. Dollar CAD entry level was 1.3504. Stop loss 1.31074 and TP 1.3154. Dollar CHF, we have reversed, as I have mentioned a few minutes ago, to long positions. Entry level for my long positions was 99.574. Stop loss 0.99004 and TP 0.99924. And last but not least, I have also entered today. All these are today's trades, guys. Brand new trades, every single one of them. Since we have closed all our trades yesterday. Yesterday was a great day, but today the markets do not move the way we want, so that we can close some positions with profit, of course. So last trade, short dollar yen. I have shorted it at 112.486. Stop loss 113.056 and TP 112.136. So these are the current trades that I have. At any moment, reversal might occur. I will update you if I have any reversals. Otherwise, we will enjoy, I'm sure we will enjoy the US opening with a leaf. So now is the US Open. Let's go straight to a leaf and let's make money.
Yes, it's time to make money because gold and silver in Italy 40, they don't move on. So Howard is asking me, what is the stand TP for oil? Stop loss and TP for oil. Is it too late? Well, Howard, our oil, I will enter, sell USA 100. I just sold USA 100, guys. USA 100, we just sold USA 100, and let me see on USA 30. We go also short on USA 30. So we are short on USA 100 and short for USA 30. Howard, if the oil drops below minus $150, you can enter it. So on Dow Jones, we are making $400, $500. Guys, let's put a take profit for Dow Jones. My Dow Jones position take profit is at 25,591. So I'm aiming with this position $900 profit on USA 100. My take profit is at 7,230. There we go. Ching ching. We hit our take profit on USA 30 and we made on USA 30 $900. So on USA 100 we are making right now $250. And let me see, $400. I will sell again now USA 30. I just sold again USA 30, guys. We are making $500 or $600, very close to hit our take profit on USA 100. Okay, also on USA 100, we closed $650 on take profit. We increased our profits to $11,000. So let's wait for a short pullback and we will enter again USA 100. Let me see. Go to the 5 minutes chart. Here we go, 5 minutes chart. So I'm shorting again USA 100. I just shorted again USA 100. On USA 100, I'm putting my take profit at 7,202. 7,202 is my take profit for USA 100 and USA 30. My take profit is 25,550. Yes, 25,550 is my take profit. On USA 30, we are making already $700, and we opened this position just 2 minutes ago. $700, and our take profit is at $1,034. Okay, also USA 100, we are making huge profits, good profits in a very short time period. Let me put also oil. So again, for you, Howard, I think on oil you are a bit too late to enter it. So now, there we go. We will hit any moment now again. Take profit on USA 30. There we go. We hit again. One take profit on USA 30 with $1,034. We increased our profits to $12,000. Also on USA 100, we have our take profit at $1,000. Let me see if we could enter again a position on USA 30. Yes, guys, I will go again short on USA 30. Here we go. I just shorted again USA 30. And I will put my take profit here at 25,520. Okay, so we opened one position. We might open another position on USA 30. Let me see if we get a better price. We will open it. Let's run a bit. Let's leave it to run a bit more up, and then we will enter again a short position. Guys, I'm shorting again USA 30. I have two positions open on USA 30, and we are already in profit. We are already in profit, and I will put my take profit 25,540. It's my take profit here. Okay, I will change my take profit. I adjusted my take profit to 25,530. Guys, I know I'm talking sometimes too fast. I know that I'm trading too fast. But right now, during the opening, you know, guys, I'm trading mainly US indices. So it's either USA 100 or USA 30. So get ready to trade with me those assets, and we are getting ready here to hit take profit $1,200 on USA 30. On USA 30, we are getting ready to hit take profit. We increased our daily profit so far to $12,630. Howard, could you manage to enter any trades on USA 100 or USA 30? It's quite fast. I'm trading quite fast, I know. Guys, I have still the opportunity to enter on USA 100, and I'm getting ready to enter again USA 100. There is a pullback, and I'm ready to enter during the pullback USA 100 position. Get ready. Here we go. I just sold again USA 100. So I have two positions open on USA 100 and two positions open on USA 30. So on USA 100, I will put a take profit at 7,210. 7,210. And I'm aiming here an approximate profit of $900. So you see USA 30, it started now to drop again. So as you can see, we are short on USA 30, we are short on USA 100, short on gold, short on silver, and long on Italy 40. What's happening with Italy 40? Needs time to recover. Gold, what's going on with gold? Good time to increase. Leave it there. Leave it there. We see what's going on with oil. Oh, oil is very close to hit the take profit level. On oil, we are making right now $340. But for me, the most important asset right now is USA 30 and USA 100. I'm also highly exposed on gold. Yes, Howard, I have a take profit on USA 30. Which of the two positions of USA 30 you entered? I have two positions. My USA 30 position. I entered the one position at 25,554.18. Here my take profit is at 25,530. This is one take profit, Howard. I just wrote it down on chat. And then the other take profit is on USA 30. I entered the second trade at 25,532.58. My take profit here is 25,520. And no, I don't have any stop loss currently. As I told before, I need to see first the market movement and decide accordingly, because we are trading right now due to the US Wall Street opening based on the volatility. This volatility might cause a breakout out of the general trend, the directional trend, and I don't want that my stop loss gets triggered just because of one spike. That's why during this kind of moments I don't put any stop losses, but it's my decision. If you would like to put stop losses, you can do so. It's all up to your money management and your risk management. Like for me, the 25,650 is on Dow Jones on USA 30, a crucial level. If it reaches that level, I might consider of taking further actions. But currently, I don't see that happening. That's why, no, I'm short on USA 30, Howard. So I see that Kyriakos has an update. I'm passing now to Kyriakos and let my positions to develop. You're welcome, Howard.
So, welcome back, guys. Actually, nothing have changed on the Forex. Our positions are still running. Our positions are still developing. As I said, I don't see today the volatility that I want. So this means that we might get reversals through the night. They don't move, guys. I mean, they don't move the way we want. So if you see in Forex a downside move and an upside move, and since midnight, for example, dollar CHF, it has opened around 99.44, and 16 hours after the open is now trading 13 pips higher. This means that it's a ranging condition. Okay, they don't have the direction, they don't have a trend, they don't have a one-side movement that we would like to have in order to hit TPs. Okay, in the morning I shorted it, everything was down. Then It went up, I have entered long, now it's going down again. So ranging conditions for intraday traders are not the best conditions to make money. But we are keeping the positions. I stick to my strategy. I have faith on my strategy. I have the patience. I have the capital required. No worries at all. I'm calm. Okay. As you know me by now, I'm not worried. We will see either later tonight or tomorrow if any of these positions are reversed and if any of these positions are closed. Okay. Currently, as you can see clearly from my chart, my worst performer is pound Aussie because I'm short on pound Aussie and I'm currently losing $4,000, for example. But as I said, these are unrealized losses, okay? They are unrealized. What does unrealized mean? They are not taken out of my pockets yet. So they are still there running. Let me put the pound Aussie chart. All right, so I have shorted pound Aussie. It went a bit up. Now it's very close, you can see, to my short entry level. So why shall I worry about that? If it goes above this level, I will reverse to long and hit take profit. If it continues to drop, it will fall and hit take profit. So any way it goes, I'm there for it. Okay, so we will make money out of pound Aussie, no worries. The same for all the pairs. Okay, so these are the developments of the current forex positions. I would love to know how many of you still have any forex positions. I mean, have you traded any forex positions? Do you still keep them? It's very crucial to participate in the chat room and ask us questions, inform us about your trades, how they are doing. So guys, please type in the chat if you wish, if you are still keeping any positions, if you are making money, if you have closed any positions before the afternoon session that you have placed in the morning. Share them with us, how much you have made, if you are keeping them, which pairs are you trading. We want to have a communication. We don't want to see the trading room ending a monologue, just me and talking or just the live talking. So participate in the trading room, and most importantly, you are here to trade, practice. That's why you are joining the trading room. If you're afraid, then how shall I say it politely? I will say it politely that you are not for this job. If you are afraid to do something, then definitely you are not for this job. So quit as soon as possible. I'm straight. But try it, trade, win, lose. Ask us why I lost. Ask us why we entered this position. What did you see that I didn't see, for example? Or maybe you say, I'm long and some of you say, no, I will short Aussie dollar. We can have a nice discussion to explain to you why a long position, for example, on Aussie dollar, this is just an example, is more highly probable to end with a profit than a short position. That's the type of discussion we would like to have in the trading room. You are here to learn and you are here to trade. Just push the button. Don't be afraid to do that. So pound Aussie to the upside, some sort of wedgie. Okay, Rachel, thank you for your participation, first of all. I'm very glad to see you participating. Second, Rachel, on which training program are you enrolled in? Which training program do you participate? Are you in the expert trader course? Are you in the start trader course? Rachel, if you can hear us. Second, okay, second is the professional. All right, very good. Now, as you know from what you have learned, first of all, on which time frame are you talking about? Are you monitoring the 1 hour chart? Are you monitoring the 15-minute chart? Can you please specify the time frame that you're talking about? Good. So which time frame are you monitoring, Rachel? Are you monitoring the 15-minute chart, the 1-hour chart? If you specify that, I will be able to assist you on your question. So Rachel is saying that she thinks there is a pattern on pound Aussie to the upside, some sort of wedgie. On the chart I'm watching right now, Rachel, I don't see a wedge. There are two types of wedges. There is the rising wedgie and the falling wedgie. So, was okay. If you are talking about this pattern here that I'm showing you now, guys, you need to be more specific in your questions, and definitely about the time frame you are monitoring. 5 minutes. Okay, let's go to the 5-minute chart of pound Aussie. Just a moment, Rachel, for the 5-minute chart to load. My PC is a bit slow today. My apologies on that. By tomorrow, everything will get fixed. Come on, load. Okay. Basically, there are two types of wedges. Okay, let me open the paint so that you know what I'm talking about. So that I show you exactly what I mean. Just let me show you what I mean. Paint. Come on. Paint. All right, there we go. We need this program. I will show you straight away. Okay, so let's see what is a rising wedgie and what is a falling wedgie, since you are mentioning that. Now, a rising wedgie, don't get confused by the term rising. A rising wedgie is bearish, okay? And a falling wedgie is bullish. Now, the rising wedgie is always observed after an uptrend, and it is considered to be a reversal pattern. If you observe it during a downtrend, then it's considered to be a continuation pattern. So Rachel, the first thing that you need to clarify is if we have on the 5-minute chart an uptrend or a downtrend. The platform is not responding, but anyway. So if you are monitoring an uptrend, okay, a rising wedgie in an uptrend is considered to be a bearish reversal. And what do I mean by a rising wedgie? I see higher bottoms and higher tops. So that's a rising wedge. You see that? So the market will go basically. Let me delete that. It's not of any use. So this is the price action. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then it will break to the downside. So if you see it up after an uptrend and you see this rising wedgie, it's a bearish. If you see it during a downtrend, though, in other words, if in a downtrend you see a bearish wedgie, the rising wedgie basically, or a bearish wedgie. So have in mind that rising wedges always have higher tops, higher bottoms, okay? So it will go like this. So if you see it in an uptrend, that's a reversal. If it is completed, we are going down. If it is in a downtrend, it's a bearish continuation. We're going down. So basically, just to cut things short, whenever you see a bearish wedgie, a rising wedgie, and why it's called rising, because it has higher tops. You see this top is higher, this top is higher, and higher bottoms. Okay, higher tops, higher bottoms, and some traders confuse it with an uptrend. So be careful not to confuse the rising wedgie with the definition of an uptrend. So whenever you see a rising wedgie, if it is after an upside move, it's a bearish reversal, Rachel. If you see it after a downside move, it's a bearish continuation. But what is important, either if you see it in an uptrend or a downtrend, it always completes to the downside. It always completes to the downside. Is it clear, Rachel? So which of the two cases have you observed on the 5-minute chart? The first case after an uptrend or the second case after a downtrend, after a fall? Which of the two? Case 1 or case 2? Let me check and see if the time frame has changed. No, not yet. So this is basically very briefly the explanation of rising wedges. They are bearish. They can be either bearish reversals after an uptrend, or they can be bearish continuation patterns after a downtrend. All right? That's a very brief explanation of the bearish wedges. So we can see them in two cases: after an uptrend, which is a reversal if completed to the downside, or after a downtrend, which is considered to be again a bearish signal. We're going down, that's what it means, bearish signal after a downtrend, bearish continuation of the downtrend. So there we go. This is the 5-minute chart of pound Aussie, and I'm trying to find out the. You are very welcome, Rachel. Thank you for your question, a very important and a very nice question. So bearish wedge. Okay, a bearish wedge can be this one, for example. You have rising bottoms, sort of. No, I don't think it's a bearish wedge. But gold, on which time frame, Elif? Okay, if the platform loads, I will. All right. Elif is saying, Elif, you show us the rising wedgie, because it seems that I have a problem with the platform today. So Elif,
Let's have a look together on the rising veggies on gold. Gold is a very well-known asset for veggie. So we are looking here at the 15 minutes chart. This is, for example, a very, very clear one, and you have the drop, and if you look it from this side, you see it very clear, and it's like going up, going down, up, and then it breaks through and goes up. This is a very, very clear rising veggie pattern. Gold is the queen of veggies, if you want to call it like that. So back to our trades, guys. We have some movements. We have some movements on USA 100 and USA 30. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Come on. We are very close to hit our take profits on USA 100 and on USA 30, very, very close. And on USA 100, we are making right now $700 on one asset and $300 on the other asset, a very nice one. We need a bit more time to hit our take profit, but as I said, the direction is very clear. It's a bearish direction, and maybe now before the market close, yeah. Let me see. Yeah, okay. As you can see, guys, this here was just a, there we go. One first take profit on USA 100. And now the other one is coming on USA 100. You see it here. There we go. $800. There we go. Another one. Guys, we closed now in the last 2 minutes. And not even in the last 1 minute, $1,200 on USA 30, 1,000 and $992 on USA 100. And let's see the next one. We are getting close to hit the next one, guys. Let me see here. Let's close it manually. Okay. There we go. There we go. Another one. Another one is coming close on USA 100. Guys, on USA 100, we are making right now $700 and our take profit is at $1,000 here. $1,000. Very close to hit our take profit. On gold and silver, this we have to leave for tonight. Let's see what's going on oil. Okay, oil needs to wait also for tonight to recover. But guys, yep, it's getting there. It's getting there. So guys, very close to hit our take profit. Very, very close. Then our next trade, which next target will be gold. But gold, as I said, it's a very clear setup. It will hit our take profits. And here we are making $800, $900. Oh, yep, there we go. There we go. Come on, come on. Another 3 pips and we are done. Another 3 pips and we are done on USA 30. Come on. However, we increased our profits for today to $15,461. $15,461 so far. We had a nice afternoon, guys. We traded on oil, we traded on Italy 40, on DAX, on gold, on US indices. So we had a lot of nice trades. We made $15,000 so far. We have another 2 trades open on gold, waiting them to develop and close. I hope you could enjoy the trading here at Trademy.com. We had some nice trades today. They took a bit more time than usual, as you know, guys, but still profitable trades, giving us $15,000, not bad. We got some interesting information from Kyriakos regarding patterns. And we are looking forward to see you guys tomorrow in the afternoon when we are trading, when we will, tomorrow in the morning, not in the afternoon. Come on, guys. Afternoon. Huh? I hope you will join us. If you have any questions, guys, just don't forget to type them on chat. You have always the function of chat here to discuss with us, to give us any feedback, or if something is not clear, to ask us. This would be very nice. Hope for all our newcomers it was a nice first experience with the Trademy.com team, and looking forward to see you guys. So we have still some trades open, and I will watch them, and if I have any updates, I will enter them and tweet them on Twitter, guys. Our Twitter account is very clear. It's Trademy A for Academy. So at Trademy A is our Twitter account. Please follow us so you will be always updated about our current situation. So see you tomorrow, guys, morning hours, and looking forward to see you. Bye bye, guys.